Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm flying on United Nigerian Embraer E170 from MM2 Lagos Airport to Chinua Achebe International Airport, Umueri, Anambra State. MM2 is busy as usual, and this is United Nigerian Airline counter. United Nigerian Airline, please do something. Used luggage tags everywhere on the floor. That kind of makes it dirty. Do something about that and make your counter space clean, orderly. Check-in formalities completed, and then proceeded to security, where we boarded the E170 to Chinua Achebe International Airport, Umueri, Anambra State. The E170 is a two-class configuration. The business class is in the front section, and then the remainder of the seat at the back is for the economy class. Yes. The seats are very comfortable, not minding the age of the aircraft. But there's something I noticed with Nigerian Airline. Noticed that with Embraer and Airpeace, the windows are not that clean from the outside. If they can at least try to wash it, that's why we're not having good videos. Anytime you're flying on any of the Nigerian Airlines, the one I've flown on, Airpeace, United Nigerian, and Embraer, the windows are not that clean. And it affects the quality of the video when shooting from the window. This particular Embraer E170 is a wet lease from Windrush Airlines, a charter airline company based in Ukraine. Someone flew on this particular aircraft from, believe, Lagos to Anambra and complained, oh, why is there only a white crew? Hope he's not going to an international destination. No, anytime you're flying on a wet lease aircraft, it comes with their crew. And it comes with one local crew amongst them. So that's why the three, one local crew and two foreign crew. So if he's watching this video, it's a local airline on a wet lease. That is why they have the crew. If it is on a dry lease, you have all the Nigerian crew when it's a dry lease. For the wet lease, you have the foreign crew, makes it one local.
This aircraft has 6 emergency exits, each of them is clear marked with red exit sign. Emergency full lighting is the closest emergency exit, 2 doors in the front of the cabin, 2 hatches in the middle over the wings, and 2 doors to the back. Note the exits nearest to the seat. Remember that the nearest exit may be behind you. Please make sure that all these exits are clear or have baggage photograph and landing. In the event of an emergency operation, keep in mind to leave all luggage behind. Air rolling in the pressurized cabin. In case of decompression, oxygen mask will drop automatically. Should this happen, pull the mask to activate the flow of oxygen. Cover your mouth and nose while sitting. Please normally put the mask on first to help others.
Pushback. To our value jets, CRJs. On the far end is the E175, Embraer E170. Engine starts. Air. can see several of Airpeace Airline E195s, Axman Air, if you watch up to this stage, please subscribe to this channel. Let's hit it to the 5,000 subscribers. Like the videos, share the videos, drop your comments, tell me what you want to be improved. Let me know what you want to see next. With that, I'll know what I'm doing is what you like. I love the comments. Keep writing them. It's going to allow me to adjust. Thank you very much. Keep watching.
Wow, we're up in the sky.
Devices during the flight is to cover prohibited second fighters.
Shortly after reaching the cruising altitude, the curtain was drawn to separate the boys from the men. Shortly after that, the regular service of water and snacks box was passed out.
Huh?
Got two of the boxes. My seatmate said he doesn't want it, so I got two. So we have in the bus a Chivita juice, small juice pack, a small spring roll, or I forgot what it's called, biscuits, mint, or Mentos, you can call it that, and a bottle of water. Not long after this was served, we started our descent into Chinua Achebe International Airport, Umueri, Anambra State. It was a short flight though, less than an hour. My overall review of this flight, it was a pleasant flight, not minding it was delayed. Still no communication from the ground crew. I don't know if it is typical of Nigerian Airlines not to communicate to the passengers when there are delays. The ground crew, they were very efficient this time around. The luggage and everything went smoothly. The boarding process, everything was perfect. And I would suggest United Nigerian Airlines, I know you're using a wet lease aircraft, but allow the local crew to make the announcements on some of the safety announcements for the passengers to be able to understand what the crew was actually saying. But overall, It was a pleasant flight and a good experience, and I'll still fly you guys again, but try to be on time, which is a problem. Always communicate to your passengers when the flight is delayed. It has become a norm with Nigerian Airlines.
And we hope that you enjoyed us. We wish you a pleasant stay in Anambra. If you're traveling to another destination, we wish you a pleasant journey. Thank you and goodbye.
Arrived at Anambra Airport, Chinua Achebe, the new VIP terminal, I'll call it that, or lounge, that the governor, Chukuma Soludo, just built. Two Embraers parked side by side. Airpiece, E195 E2, and United Nigerian E170. Two beauties on the runway, on the tarmac rack. The luggage process was very smooth. Luggages came out on time. Immediately we landed less than 10 minutes. We had our luggages. I'm still asking when this airport becomes so busy, are they going to be on time with the luggages in less than 20 minutes as they did this time around? The facilities at this airport is still well maintained, which is a kudos to the airport's management for maintaining it. But we're urging the state government to do more to get the jet bridges working so that more flights will start coming to this airport. Hopefully, we'll get an international airport one day.
What? Marcada. Marcada.
Sorry, excuse.
Have a good day.
Ungwana Kadi? Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this video. Keep those comments coming. It's from the comments I'll know what to improve on and what to bring to you to watch. It makes me know that you like what I bring to you. And thank you again for all your support and feedback. Thank you. And keep watching, sharing, and subscribing, and liking.
Depends on every celebrity. You went for celebrity.